In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop a PowerPoint video seamlessly, a skill that can significantly enhance your presentations by allowing content to repeat automatically without manual intervention. This can be particularly useful in scenarios like background videos for exhibition stands, automated pitch presentations, or even in educational content, where repetition is key for retention. First things first, let's get PowerPoint up and running. If you're not familiar, PowerPoint is a component of the Microsoft Office suite designed for creating and editing dynamic presentations. Launch the application from your computer. You can usually find it in your Start menu or Applications folder, depending on whether you're using a PC or a Mac. Once you've opened PowerPoint, the next step is to access your presentation file where you intend to set up the video looping. Upon startup, PowerPoint greets you with the opening screen, which displays a variety of options, including a list of recent documents. From here, select the specific presentation you're working on. If it's not listed under recent documents, navigate to the Open option to find the file on your computer. After your presentation is loaded and ready, it's time to locate the video within your slides that you wish to loop. If your presentation has multiple videos and you're only looking to loop a specific one, make sure to click on that exact video to select it. This action is crucial because any changes you apply from this point forward will only affect the selected video. Now that you've got your video selected, let's proceed to the technical part. Look towards the PowerPoint ribbon. That's the panel at the top filled with various tabs like File, Home, Insert, etc. Here you're going to find and click on the Playback tab. This tab is specifically designed for controlling video and audio content in PowerPoint. If for some reason you're not seeing this tab, double check that your video is actually selected. The tab only appears when media files are highlighted. Inside the Playback tab, you'll see a series of options related to how your selected video can play, pause, start, or stop. The gem we're looking for here is the checkbox labelled Loop Until Stopped. As the name suggests, checking this box will enable your video to play over and over without needing any manual restart every time it reaches the end. Simply put, once the presentation reaches your video, it will loop indefinitely until you decide to move forward in the presentation or manually stop the video. Give that box a good click to enable the looping function. What this does is set your video to automatically rewind and play from the beginning each time it finishes. It's a straightforward yet extremely effective feature for creating a continuous video experience within your presentation. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making a video loop in PowerPoint. But before we wrap up, let me share a couple of additional tips that can help elevate your looping video experience. First, consider the video content and its relevance throughout your presentation. Since it's going to repeat, you want something that's engaging but not distracting to your main message. Also, take a moment to preview your looped video within PowerPoint to ensure it plays smoothly and meets your expectations. Lastly, always save your presentation after making changes, especially something as pivotal as setting a video to loop. This ensures that all your hard work is preserved and your presentation is ready to go whenever you need it. By following these detailed instructions, you've now mastered the art of looping videos in PowerPoint, opening up a new realm of possibilities for enhancing your presentations. Whether you're setting up for a trade show, giving a lecture, or presenting a business proposal, leveraging the power of looped videos can add a significant boost to your presentation's impact.